Now he's been wanting to put garlic chives in everything.
Well, not everything.
Dad, the side of your face is drooping. Mom?
It's probably nothing.
Dad, are you okay?
You're slurring. Why are you slurring? Raise your arms up in the air for me.
Dad, are you okay?
Gracie, call 911.
I just
Honey? Tim!
I need an ambulance. Is someone
Tim! Tim, look at me, Gracie. Tell them to hurry. Tim, look at me. Look at me, Tim. Dad, I think he's having a stroke.
I think my dad is having a stroke.
Tim, what's going on? There he is. I think it's cold. Are you cold, honey? Are you cold? Okay. Gracie? See, Gracie's gonna come, sweetheart. We're just gonna go. We're just gonna go in the ambulance right now. We're gonna go to the hospital. Okay? Okay. Huh? I'm right here. I'm right here. Gracie, meet us there. I'm right here. I'm right here. Okay. Okay, here we go. You just stay right here. You just stay and breathe.